Your script is the blueprint. Now it's time to cast your vision. In FilmSpark.ai, assets aren't just random images. They are persistent visual assets designed for narrative continuity.
When you start a scripted project, the console automatically identifies your cast and creates character descriptions based on your script. You will then be given the option to generate all the asset images. This will use your default image model.
FilmSpark extracts details such as age, hair color, outfit, and other options directly from your writing, setting the stage for high-quality, consistent characters. For precise creative direction, you can refine these attributes manually. With auto-prompt enabled, every detail you edit is instantly translated into a high-performance image prompt. Select a professional model like Nano Banana Pro or Seedream and click Generate to see your character come to life. Need a specific likeness? Use Create from Photo to cast yourself, a client, or a specific actor into the story. By checking Keep Photo Outfit, you ensure that AI respects the reference clothing while matching your project's unique art style. Consistency is key in filmmaking. Use the Adjust tool to create matching close-ups for your actors. In addition, use Edit mode to change actors' outfits or other attributes. Finally, choose a voice. Choose from our library of AI voices or use voice cloning to upload a sample, ensuring your actor's performance is as consistent as their look. In addition to actors, FilmSpark also features locations and props for even greater story consistency. Whether you're directing a 30-second spot or a feature-length narrative, your cast is now locked and ready for the storyboard. Next up, we'll visualize the action in the storyboard canvas. We'll see you there. FilmSpark.ai, your complete AI production console. Stop generating, start directing.